Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, excuse my voice, a little hoarse today. Was walking around trying to figure out what to cook for you. Found some wings inside and I said, you know, that sounds good. I'm in the mood for some wings. How am I gonna cook them? Walked around the garage and I found this guy. The Vortex, guys. I've had this thing for about a year and I've only used it a few times, so I'm gonna bring it to you guys tonight. Let's get going, guys. All right, guys, I've got about slightly over 3 pounds of wings here. I've separated the flats and the drums, gotten rid of the flappers, and I'm just going to hit them up. This is just a little, it's in my misto can, just a little bit of olive oil. Just want to coat the wings a little bit. Not going on with a lot. Alright, we're going to follow this up with, this is some gator shake from Uncle Steve's Shake, guys. This was sent to me a while back by Papa, Texas. Thanks so much, Papa. Good stuff. I'll be ordering some more stuff soon. Now this is fairly spicy, so I'm not going to hit it real hard, to be quite honest with you. Give these a flip. Little oil on this side. More gator shake. Alright guys, gonna wait for this fire to come up. We're gonna get her going. Let's get this thing going. Just here. Vortex dead center, guys. Guys, the whole concept is this Vortex will generate heat from the center, go up to the top of the lid. When I put it on, it's going to create tons of heat in here to cook this chicken up. Great on. Put the lid on and let the heat build. This thing is getting it. We got some heat. Let's get some chicken on here. Start over here. Going on the outside, guys. You don't want to put that directly over. Oh yeah. This over here. I don't want that to go over there. Alright guys, in honor of Papa Texas and Uncle Steve's Shakes, they're both Texans now, so I'm going to throw in right on top of here a couple chunks of this mesquite wood. Get some smoke on these guys. We'll check back in about 15 minutes or so and flip them. Oh, look at there, guys. We are roughly 15 minutes in. I'm going to give these guys a turn. Remember where I'm at. Got some great color going on. Looking good. Looking real good. It's one hot fire, guys. That Vortex, man, does an awesome job. I don't do it all the time, but I really like it when I do it. Alright. I'll come back in about 15 minutes and I bet we're real close to done. Look at that smoke coming off that mesquite, guys. Alright guys, I am losing daylight quick, but I want to get some temps on these guys. We're very close, guys. I need to go a little bit more. A little bit more. Flats are about done. Ooh, I don't want to stick my arm there. Flats are about done. I'm gonna go about 5 minutes more, guys, and I'm gonna pull these off and go inside, and I'll come back to you when we do our taste test. All right? See you soon. Look at this, guys. It is beautiful. Get a load of this. All right, guys. You can see that. Smells phenomenal. Let's check out this Gator Shake by Uncle Steve's Shake. That is so good. I think I seasoned that about right too. Oh yeah. That Gator Shake does have some heat to it. So I went easy there for me, because, well, I'm a wimp. So I want to try this again. Just some ranch dressing. What my go-to? If you've seen me do wings before, I know you have. Kind of my go-to. Oh yeah, guys. Guys, that Vortex. The Vortex just kind of swirls that heat up in there. Actually gives it an oven effect. Got the skin fairly crispy because I put some olive oil on that before I put the Gator Shake on. Went really good, guys. About 30 minutes. I take it back. It's probably about 35-40 minutes by the time I got done. I went a little higher because I was trying to crisp that skin up, and I did really good on it. So, guys, so thank you so much. It was really good. Again, big shout out again to Papa Texas. He gave this to me a while back, back in the summertime, or early summer actually. And Uncle Steve's Shake, he's got plenty of other stuff. I'm going to put a link to Papa Texas right up here. And I think I'll have to go a link down below to Uncle Steve's Shake. He's got some really good stuff down there, and I'm going to be buying more of it real soon. I know I said that earlier, but I've dwindled some of my supply down. I'm ready to get some more. So guys, thank you. As always, we got so much more to come, guys. As the weather's, it got dark on me tonight, and that's going to happen throughout the winter. So we'll do more indoor stuff, but as I can, I'll do some outdoor stuff. So until next time, guys, God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless, folks. Bye-bye.